We arrived in the Philippines from Seoul and had a big travel day involving 2 flights and a 5-hour shuttle to El Nido to start our boat trip. We booked a 4-day, 3-night island hopping expedition with Big Dream Boatman. We paid about $550 per person. This is our boat, the Big Dream Boatman. First stop. We just landed at base camp. It's our first camping spot that we're staying on this trip. You can see my snorkeling mask line. I spent like 45 minutes snorkeling today. It was so much fun. We saw a baby turtle, a stingray, a lionfish, which I had never seen one of those and it was scary. It looked like a giant swimming spider. But yeah, now we're at camp. We're about to have dinner. But wow, it's been an amazing first day. These are the seashells I've collected. There are so many cool ones on this beach.
Good morning from the Philippines. We don't know where we are, but we don't care. We just woke up and it is so beautiful out here.
Gorgeous. Welcome to the island. Boiled banana. Oh my God, look at my forehead. No, I can pass it over.
Yes, I know.
Wait,
So
I
attractive.
know. Just went snorkeling, trying to find turtles. We found 2. I don't know that I've had a boiled one either. We're at base camp, second base camp for our trip. We're about to eat some dinner, play some games, relax, and then go to bed and wake up in this beautiful, beautiful place. And just done. This is so intense. This is a message to you. Don't know worry about a thing. Good morning and welcome to Banana Island. This is where we stayed last night, very fancy. We sang a lot of karaoke last night and so my voice is gone. This island feels like a private island. It is so beautiful.
Essa toalha Coron Garden is a part of Coron Municipal. Going that way to the white the water.
Oh, and here's Sam looking for his phone to take some pictures.
All right, we just walked up to this limestone lake Really clear water, beautiful scenery. Walking back to our boat, and then we go to Coron, so we're pretty much done with our tour.
Being out here on this boat trip reminded me of how important it is to hit pause on life and just enjoy the little things, like jumping into water, out on the boat, snorkeling, or sharing laughs with friends playing Jenga. We ended up really bonding with everyone on the boat, and I'm really glad we took this boat trip.